Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vivian. Today, you will be following me to the AHC Beauty Ritual Self-Care Workshop. In the workshop, I have learned the secrets to youthful, glowing skin using one of the products from AHC, the leading aesthetic skincare brand in Korea. This particular product I'm talking about is the AHC Eye Cream for Face. It is also loved by Anne Hathaway, who doesn't even seem to age at all. Yes, aging is completely natural and nobody can run away from that, but what we can run away from is looking older than we are using the AHC Eye Cream for Face. The AHC is #1 eye cream brand in Korea, and in fact, the AHC eye cream for face is sold every 2 seconds in Korea. Remember that skincare is self-care, so you have to love your skin all the time. In the workshop, I also got to use the Premium Hydra B5 toner and lotion. The instructor also guided everyone step by step in performing the beauty ritual. And now I will teach you the beauty ritual.
Okay, so first thing first, you have to sit up straight and then you have to apply the eye cream face all over your face, starting from your cheeks.
Since it was a self-care workshop, there was also a session on self-appreciation and self-love. Everyone also received a motivational word from AHC, and I thought it was kind and really sweet. The workshop ended with a group photography session and also light refreshment. And by the way, I also received a goodie bag from AHC worth 300 ringgit where it contains some of the deluxe items including this eye cream. If you're interested in joining the AHC Beauty Ritual Workshop, check out the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.